So hey guys, in this video we're gonna troubleshooting the issues which causes ChatGPT is at capacity. So if you're facing an error that ChatGPT is at capacity, so make sure to watch this video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so the first thing you can do is to go to your command prompt, then you have to type ipconfig/flush DNS, and it will basically flush all the corrupted DNS of your desktop. Once you have done, now the second thing you can do is to go to your Google Chrome web store, and over there you have to search for a VPN. Now I suggest you to download this Hola VPN. It's a very good and efficient VPN. So just simply head to that and add this extension to the browser. Now once the Hola VPN is added to the browser, now simply open it up and connect to any of the suitable server just according to the region. Now reload the page and it will ask you to log in with the ChatGPT account again. So you have to log in and check if the problem is fixed or not. In the case if the problem is fixed, then it's perfect. Otherwise, move to the third solution. So if your problem doesn't fix, here is a free alternative for ChatGPT which works as similar as ChatGPT. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your Google Chrome web store and search for ChatGPT. And here we have ChatGPT for Google, and just simply go ahead and add this extension to the browser. And you can see here we have the ChatGPT for Google. So in the case if you fix any kind of issue on the ChatGPT, you can use this one. So let's ask something. Alright, so here we go. So this is basically how you can fix ChatGPT is at capacity. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.